Hi guys, I am so excited about today's video. We are going to be making Disney's famous churros. If you've ever been to Disneyland or Disney World, you know how incredible these churros are. So without further ado, let's get started. You're going to bring 1 cup of water, 1 stick of butter, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt to a boil. Now you're going to turn your heat to low and add 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour. Then you're going to mix vigorously until all of the flour is incorporated, then set it aside and let it set for 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, now we're going to be adding 3 eggs, 1 at a time, mixing well in between each egg. Okay, now we're going to dump 2.5 cups of oil in a medium-sized saucepan, and then we're going to let it boil while we are dumping our churro batter dough stuff into a piping bag with a star tip. Okay, so when making our churros, I like to have 3 different stations. The first station is obviously cooking your churros. So just squirt about a 1-inch long churro down and then just cut it and let it drop into the oil and cook until it is golden brown. Once it is golden brown, you can use, what I like to use is a strainer and scoop it out and set it on the next station, which is the cooling station, where you set some paper towels down and kind of let the churros sit for a second just to cool down and get the oil off of them. Then I like to dip them in cinnamon and sugar and set them on another plate until it's time to eat them. Yeah, so that's basically how I like to make the churros. Now you're gonna sit back, relax, and enjoy your easy and delicious Disney churros.